Hi friends, it's Jenny and I have something to open up today. Becky did some shopping at Beads to Live By. Here's a sweet little note from Cassandra for me. And by the way, Becky is going to be on with Cassandra tonight. So the day that I'm recording and releasing this, she's going to be on tonight on the Beads to Live By channel to do a little beading party, actually playing with some Halloween flavored goodies. Welcome to October. We got these items I'm going to be showing you very soon because Becky thought that it would be fun for us to play with these little bead mixes, goodie bundles for some of our late night beading during the month of October. And I love that idea. So she did place an order for me and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to have a link to the live in the description, as well as a link to the shop where you can get some of these items. The first thing I'm going to show you is sold out, and Becky has actually already showed you, so this might look familiar. We're going to just zoom in because these are little beads, my friends, and you'll see them better if we're zoomed in. So Becky did already show this. This is the Wickedly Fabulous mix, and she showed this when she unboxed her subscription box. She got some add-ons, including this mix. And I love this. I love all of the fun little check glass flowers, all the different colors. I love pink and green together. Of course, this is a reference to, you know, the Wicked movie that is going to be coming out. And I love these pink little petal beads and some black fire polish. Some teeny tiny white fire polish. I don't know if you can see those. I'm going to just get a scoop and hold it up a little bit closer so you can see more of those beads in that little scoop. But it's really cute and it looks like it's going to be fun to play with. So that is something that I'm going to be using, and I'm looking forward to that. So we'll just scoop this back in. You can check it out while I scoop it. I think I've got the camera positioned so you can see pretty easily what we've got going on. Get the flowers by hand, and then I can scoop more of the smaller ones. Whoops. Aren't they fun though? So Becky did snag this, and she said, in fact, it sold out almost right after she got it, so she thinks she might have got me the last pack, but she knew I would have fun playing with it, and so she got it for me. One last little look of our Wickedly Fabulous bead mix. I'm looking forward to that. So this one you cannot get, but the remaining three, I just checked the website, and these particular colorways are still available. There's two of these bundles. This is the Dia de Muertos designer bundle. And I'm going to show you the Aqua Ofrenda first, and then we've got Caribbean Jack-O-Lantern. Both of those colors are available. When you go to the link, it is for the Dia de Muertos bundles, and then there'll be a drop down for the different colorways. And there are some of those that are sold out, but there are at least 4 at the time that I'm recording this that are not sold out, including these 2 colorways that I loved and I picked when Becky and I were doing our little shopping. So in these little bundles, you get a couple of skull beads. The skull beads are the only overtly Halloween thing in the bundle, or rather, Dia de Muertos, Day of the Dead. The rest are just really great colorway of check glass beads. These are a lot of fun. So we've got this, and then we've got a seed bead mix. And I'm just going to grab this and spill out some of the seed bead mix on it so you can see that. So that's the seed bead mix. And it's got some rainbow and some kind of dusky blues and some periwinkle blues. And that's just a very fun mix for me. And then in this little bag, we've also got a strand of I don't know if they're called petal beads. That's what I called them in the pink ones. They look to me like petal beads. They're just a one hole, kind of like a drop bead. So we've got those. And then I'm going to pour the rest of this out. It has a couple of check glass flowers, as well as some tulip beads. And these look like they are check bicones. Yeah, those are check bicones. Let me scoop them up a little bit closer. So they're that, not a sharp bicone. It's gently, it's a soft bicone, but that's what that shape is. So we've got some of those going on. So that is the Aqua Ofrenda. Let's get these guys out so you don't have to see the light glaring on them. Aqua Ofrenda. Move these up where you can see them too. There, now you can see all the selections. And I just poured out some of the seed beads so that you could see that. So this is the Aqua Ofrenda colorway, and I like it. I think it's going to be fun. You know me and blues and moody. This is going to be a lot of fun to play with. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's get these tucked away. Put the seed beads back in here. I don't know if they'll pour very well off of the dish. Not very. But that's okay because I have my scoop. I have my scoop. Another quick look at those. I thought it was a really cute idea Becky had. She's like, hey, go here and pick the colors that you like and we'll get them ordered. And she ordered me a few little bundles, which is good because we've got a few weeks here in October. And Becky and I do enjoy Halloween. We enjoy those things. We know not everybody does, and that's okay. We don't do anything overtly creepy. So it's just more having fun and playing with these beads. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's the Aqua Ofrenda. And then this is the Caribbean Jack-O-Lantern, also from the same collection, the Dia de Muertos designer bundles. And it has similar beads, but in a different colorway. So this time we've got these little skulls with a copper wash. The other one had more of like a bluish AB wash, maybe. It's pretty cool. So these have like a copper wash. And then of course there's some little check flowers and some tulips. These are gold toned. And then this is the Caribbean water colorway with these bicones. And then these kind of magma AB petal beads. And here is the bead mix. And these are 11-0 bead mixes. And you can see there's got this kind of peachy magma color. I think that's silver lined actually. Yeah, that's a silver lined like fiery magma color, some kind of champagne gold, some matte white, a little bit of lilac. Those are so pretty. So put that here where you can see them a little better. Spill a little bit more of these because you know, when you look at a bead mix, the more beads on the mix, the better that all looks. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So I thought this was a really fun colorway that isn't even overtly like Halloween spooky season. Like if you took the skulls out of this, you could make some really beautiful jewelry that, or some really beautiful items that use this colorway right here. And even though it's a Caribbean Jack-O-Lantern, the oranges in this they're ones I like that more sunset color, as Becky likes to call it, rather than like straight up pumpkin orange, which there's nothing wrong with pumpkin orange if you love pumpkin orange. It's just, I think both Becky and I are, we flinch away from that a little bit. But these are, so this is the Caribbean Jack-O-Lantern colorway. There's another 2 colorways that haven't sold out that are also very pretty. So you might want to check out what there is, what is currently available. Like I said, I'll have that link, and you just switch the drop down to the different colorways to see what's available. The first several are sold out, but there are more that are currently available, and so I think that's a lot of fun. I'll get most of them in this way. Hey, I only spilled a few. Literally 2, 3, which is a few. So get my bead mix. Isn't that a cute bead mix? I think that's really nice. I like that bead mix. It's kind of like a champagne-y yellow. Like it's yellow, but it's like this kind of glowing, lustery one. I like it. And then of course these guys, get them a little bit closer. Again, these are the check bicones that are not sharp. Okay, and then the last little thing that she got me is one of the ceramic bundles for the spooky season. And this one also has several colorways, and I checked, and they are available. I think all of the colorways are available. So what makes the ceramic bundle different, aside from the selection of beads, these are different shaped beads than the other ones, is that it includes, so it's got a strand of 1-hole lentils. This is the black and red, or blue and red, sorry, blue and red colorway. And these are kind of like that they have flashes of blue. They almost look like labradorite, but these are glass beads, but with how they're gray, but then they have these flashes of blue because of the coating. They remind me of like labradorite. And then we've got a couple of check flowers. These are 2-hole pyramid beads. So you've got your hole here that it's strung on, and then another hole that it can go beside. So kind of some spiky designs are possible with this. I know Becky has used this before and done some cool things with it. So this is a fun shape. I like the color. I like having that in the silver. And then I'm going to show you this bead mix here in a minute, but this is what makes it different, is it does have these little artisan ceramic items, and each one of the colorways has a different shape or design, and I love these little guys. They're these just cute little ghosties. This is a metal loop, and Becky tested hers for me, and whatever material they used does not have nickel, so I can use that and not have to worry about it. And I like the floral print on these guys. So they look like ghosts dressed up in muumuus. and I think that that's adorable. That is just so cute. So let me get these guys here, and then I'm going to pour out this this mix. So this mix is the Chosen 11-0, which looks like it's kind of a smoky color, possibly gold or silver lined. It's got lining in it. And then these little cup beads. I don't know if that's what they're called, if they're called something else, but they're just these little cup beads that go with it. And I think could be really fun to play with. I've never used this shape of bead before. I've seen Becky use a similar one that has 2 holes, is a little bit bigger, as she calls a piggy bead. But these are the cup, the hole on the cup is just right through that center there. So I think that could be fun to play with. I think that could be a lot of fun to play with. But I liked, it is blue, like this flower is blue. Oops, spilling my beads. This flower is blue, but it does read a little bit more like gray and red. And I'm not mad about that at all. So we've got our fun little ghosties, our pyramid beads. Let me arrange these so you can better see these items. I'm going to move some of these over and put my ghosts in the tray. That's better. And then you can see the strands there. So this is under the Ceramic Bundles Spooky Season, which is a different listing. It also has a drop down in the list. This is the blue and red ghost option. And so I think that's, and here's what's left in here. So most of what spilled out were the cup beads. You still have plenty of these seed beads as well. I just didn't pour them all out. So it's a lot of fun. So this was just a quick video to show you what Becky got for me from Beads to Live By. Just to show you, we're going to be pulling some of these out during our late night beading with Becky and Jenny during this month. Maybe you want to order. Just keep in mind Cassandra is about to be out of the country. So if you want to order some of these, get that order in now. And if you want to make along when we pull these out, you're welcome to do that. I get nothing by you going and ordering this, so this isn't me like plugging it to get something back. I'm just letting you know it's there. It's one of the things we're going to be doing, and maybe you'll have some fun with it too. And like I said, everything but that wickedly fabulous mix at the beginning, everything else I've showed you is currently, as of this recording, available on the Beads to Live By website. Links will be below, as will that link to the live that Becky is doing on the Beads to Live By YouTube channel tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 Central, 6 Mountain, 5 Pacific. So that is when Becky's going to be on with Cassandra Spicer. And they're going to have some fun. So, fun fall goodies. That's what I got. I hope you guys have a great day. Like I said, this was just a quick one. Letting you see what I got. Sharing my joy. Telling you what's coming up. And I hope you have a wonderful time. Happy beading. And don't forget to play. Bye, friends.